Good morning, everyone. I am Stock Sniper Mike, and I'll be walking you through this week's weekly Watchers watch list. And this week is a new week, new month, new slate. We only got 2 more days left of February trading, and we'll be jumping into March trading starting on Wednesday. We have a total of 17 stocks on there to keep an eye on, so 17 new opportunities in the next week. We always start with OTC stocks and then bleed into the listed stocks to close it out. Today, I'm going to bring you into the Stock Sniper's mobile app, and that's where we'll check out the watch list. So if you click on that watch list tab, the guy with the binoculars is always our weekly Watchers watch list. And when you click on it, you'll see the list of stocks that we're eyeing down with the pattern right next to it. The idea is you want to find certain price levels, resistance, and key support levels, and as long as they're able to hold the supports, break past resistance, that's when you want to decide to get in. So I'll go over all these stocks quickly, give you the key spots, and hopefully we could take advantage of them together this week. We'll start off with good old OTC penny stock CRTD. It's got a big drop on multiple red days. So after 3 red days, we say a first green day is due, and this stock is on 8 red days, coming down to 20 cents long-term support. We're looking for it to hold 20 cents and create a bounce over 24. If it can't hold 20 cents, we're looking for the bounce out off of 15. The next one is OTC sub-penny stock DPLS. We just made a bag off this stock when it made the first green day last week, and now we're looking for another first green day this week. As you can see, it came right back down to long-term support level 005, so now we need that first bounce green day to take advantage of. The next one is ENZC. This is an OTC penny stock that's been running since all the way in 2018. So if you've been trading penny stocks, you know about it. ENZC has came down from 0.65 down to 0.5 breakout level, and usually after a stock breaks out, we want to see it hold that breakout. If it can hold 0.5, we're looking for the first green day. SIRC is the next one, and it's another one of those multiple red days. We have about 10 straight downward trending days down to 0.3 long-term support. If it can hold that 0.3 spot, we're looking for the push back above 0.325, 0.33, and a first green day in SIRC. NWBO is another one of those stocks that have been around for a little bit now and know how to spike when they do spike. It has been dead for the past couple of weeks, but trading right between 70 cents and 64. If it dropped below 64, 60 cents is a spot we want to see it bounce off of. But if it breaks above 70 cents below dropping 64, that's going to be another spot we'll look to eye down. HYSR is an EV-related OTC penny stock, and HYSR is nice because there's a lot of follow-up green days once it does spike, so we're looking for that day that it does spike right back above 265 area and creates that first green day move. ABML is another EV-related stock, so it seems like a lot of these EV stocks have been dipping on multiple red days, and now they need to make a first green day. First green day for ABML would be right above 62 cents, or if it falls lower, right around 55 cent area. Moving to a new sector, we have the AI-related sector in AITX. This is a sub-penny stock that got a big spike when the AI news was speculating around the world. It calmed down a bit, and now AITX is on 5 straight red days. That means the first green day should be coming soon, and maybe we could get some sector momentum to bring it back up. RECAF is above a penny, so not all OTC stocks are penny stocks. RECAF is actually a $1.70 stock. It fell from $1.80 all the way back down to $1.30 last week on 5 straight red days, and now we're looking for it to create that first bounce green day off of $1.30, or if it falls below that, $1 area. The next 2 are panic dip buys, which means we want a big drop percentage in a small amount of time. The first one is GDVM, and if you didn't see this panic on Friday, we recommend you to go check it out. It fell all the way from 137 area down to 0.45, so complete panic, and then it got a beautiful bounce from that 4.5 spot all the way above 8 cents to 8.7. So almost 100% bounce, and that's what we're looking for again this week in GDVM. We want to see it drop below 4.56, come back to 4 cent area, and get that first bounce green day. CLNV is the other panic dip buy we're looking for, and this created a first red day on Friday, but didn't panic as much as we want. We're looking for the panic below 10 cents. 10 cents a key spot, but if it falls below that, it should be able to come back down to that 7 cent long-term breakout, and if it holds 7 cents, that's where we're looking to snipe it. But if it falls below that, 6.2 would be an ideal long-term support panic dip buy spot for CLNV. And the last OTC stock is LKNCY. And talking about not all OTC stocks are penny stocks, this one's a $30 stock, making 52-week highs of $31.25 last week and now holding $29.60. We're going to be using $29.60 as cut because we got in this stock actually on Thursday, and we're going to be looking for that push back above $31.25 multi-month 52-week high. Breakout to grab our first bag of the week in LKNCY. And now let's move on to the listed stock. And we're sticking with the EV sector. We're starting with HLBZ. This is an EV related scooter bikes. They're like a rental company, or you can buy bikes from them. They actually created multiple downward days, 7 straight red days now and 13 downward days. That means this first green day is going to be juicy when it happens. So be on the lookout. This is probably our number one stock we are watching for this week. We want to see it hold 12 cents long-term support, spike back above 13 cents, and go for a squeeze. The next one is another EV-related penny stock, and that's MULN, M-U-L-N. MULN is our number one stock of 2022. We made the most money off of it, profiting, I think, over 11 times on the stock. Now we're looking to profit on it one more time on another first green day. Multiple red days coming down to 20-cent long-term support. If it hits 20 cents, we're going to most likely try to get in it and look for that first bounce. A lot of you guys know about Bed Bath & Beyond. They're closing stores around the USA. They're only keeping a couple stores open, and their stock is falling down with it. It fell from $7 all the way to $1.50, where it created a first green day on Friday, but it came all the way back down to $1.50. Now we're looking for a real first green day. A lot of these stocks have been dragged down so much, and the overall market was very ugly last week. If we do get a bounce in the market, we should see a bounce in all these listed stocks. IMPP is the next penny stock, and this is actually an oil-related penny stock. So even though we're looking at listed stocks, most of them are penny stocks. This one's created 7 straight red days from 38 cents down to 20 cent 52-week lows. If it can hold 20 cents this week, early this week, we'll be looking for that first bounce green day in IMPP. And last but certainly not least is the slower moving, higher priced EV-related car stock, RIVN, RIVN. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Some people already own these stocks out there. Some people actually own these cars out there, so it's not like MULN. It's not a made-up idea. It's an actual stock. We're looking for it to create a first green day. It's made multiple red days from $21.50 to $17, and $16.50 is that long-term support. If it comes to $16.50, we'll be looking to play that first green day on RIVN. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this weekly Watchers Watch List. 17 new opportunities for us to take advantage of and tag a bag on in the upcoming week and the brand new month. Let's start March trading off strong, snipers. If you guys would like to join the team, we'd love to have you on the team. We got snipers sniping every single day and tagging bags. Check out our website, thestocksnipers.com, or the App Store, and make sure to click that subscribe button below for this weekly Watchers List every Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern. See you guys back here next week. Peace.